he is flirting, doing his mating talks. But Natalie is not buying. She stays in the waterhole playing what we call hard to get. The relationship has flourished in the Big Brother house, but they are so close yet so far. And on the other side of the BB Nature Watch, we have On the other side of the BB Nature Watch, we have Corey, a tall, lengthy animal, around 6'5". He is pale in skin, but he is trying to get a darker complexion. Look as he moves, there he is, flipping on his stomach, trying to catch the perfect angles of the rays to darken his skin. In these moments is when he is quietest, relaxed, quaint, focusing on his mind and body. But he is also probably wondering where Nicole is. Nicole is his rock, his structure, his number one. And she is absent at the moment. He always longs for her company.